In this video, we'll show you how to install your Stellina step by step. To begin, get the tripod, lift the sliding stops, open the legs completely and set them on the second setting. Use the locking lever to loosen the flat base. To do this, push in the black lever until it covers the screw and turn it upwards. Release and repeat several times. Gently place Stellina on the tripod until you hear a click. To secure the Stellina on the tripod, use the locking lever to tighten the flat base. To do so, push in the black lever until completely covering the screw and turn it downward. Release and repeat several times. Check the tripod's bubble level plate and screw and unscrew the tripod's feet if necessary. Stellina comes with an external battery called power bank delivering 10,000 mAh and allowing you to use Stellina about 5 hours, a cable to charge the battery and a USB-C and USB-A cable. To open the battery compartment, press the top of the hatch by positioning your finger on the raised dot. Connect the battery to Stellina. To do so, insert the USB-C end in the port located in the compartment and plug the USB-A end in the port of your power bank. Turn your battery on if necessary and place it in the compartment. The power button will start flashing slowly, meaning Stellina is in standby mode. To close the hatch, first place the bottom of the hatch and then clip the top with a slight pressure. Press the power button for 2 seconds. The button will start spinning quickly. This is the startup phase, which can last up to 1 minute. Wait until the LED stays still. Stellina is then ready to use, and you'll be able to find its Wi-Fi network on your mobile settings. Download Stellina app from your app store. It may be necessary to connect to the Wi-Fi to download it, as the app is more than 150 megabytes. Launch the app, accept the photos and GPS access settings, and create an account. It's necessary to be connected to an internet network to do so. Click on the Connect to Stellina button. Make sure that Stellina is turned on and follow the startup guide. Go to your phone settings and look for the Stellina wireless network. It can take up to a minute to appear. Select the wireless network that corresponds to your Stellina. Note that for iOS devices equipped with 4G, you can disregard the message "No Internet Connection." If you have access to 4G, it will work normally and you will be able to stay connected to the internet. However, for Android devices, depending on the tablet or smartphone used and the Android version used, the message "Connected, no internet access" may appear. In this case, you won't be able to be connected to the internet while using Stellina. Return to the Stellina app. Stellina is now ready to work. If you have good night sky conditions, launch Stellina's initialization. When you've finished your observations, there are 2 ways to turn your Stellina off. Press the on-off button for 2 seconds, or click on the button Sleep Mode in the first tab of the mobile app. Stellina's optical arm will automatically close. The LED button will flash slowly to indicate that the device is in standby mode. Unplug the battery cable in order to completely switch off Stellina. To remove the tripod from Stellina, use the locking lever to loosen the flat base. To do so, push in the black lever until completely covering the screw and turn it downward. Release and repeat several times. Place Stellina on a flat surface with the tripod in a vacuum. Press the button under the tripod to detach it from Stellina. If you also wish to remove the flat base and the bubble level plate from Stellina, for example to install another tripod, unscrew the screw located under the base of Stellina using the hex key provided in the Gitso tripod box.